Very good evening. I'm Dr. Reshma, working as a medical advisor from Lupin Medical Affairs, and I handle women health, dermatology, and cosmetology divisions. Here at Lupin, we wanted to bring a change in women's health, specifically when it comes to their mental health and fitness. And as we are nearing toward the International Yoga Day, Lupin Neurology Division would like to bring focus how we can have yoga flowing adjacent to the medical health. So, ma'am, we wish to know your viewpoint with respect to yoga in mental health and the challenging situations in a day-to-day life for a woman. So, the first thing which I wish to know from you, how you can place role of yoga in women's mental health, how she can uplift herself.
First of all, physical health and mental health goes hand in hand. Yoga has some relaxation activity in our body. It helps in releasing stress, and yoga helps to stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system, which calms ourselves down, and the stress is relieved, anxiety is relieved, and it overall helps to improve the wellness, the overall wellness of a person, and also definitely also in women also. uh, Yoga in daily life or any kind of physical activity, also any kind of physical activity in your daily life, can help to improve both your physical health and as well as your mental health. And definitely it should be adjacent to other medicines in case of mental disorder, where there is mental health disorder, any disorder is present. It's definitely not a replacement for medicines or other therapies, but it can be a adjacent therapy to other methods.
Ma'am, any particular release of enzyme in women body which can be possible with the help of yoga?
Always yoga or physical activity helps to uh, release release endorphin in our body, which uplifts our mood, which decreases our anxiety, and helps to reduce stress.
Okay. So, we have heard a lot about stress and it is increasing day by day. However, we can try control it, but it cannot be controlled. So, how do you find that yoga reduces the stress levels?
Yoga helps in overall relaxation of our body, and mindfulness practices, which is there in meditation, which is we learn mindfulness. This also helps in relaxation, and as I said that it overall it helps to stimulate our parasympathetic activity. What happens when we are in stress, under stress, anxiety, our overall sympathetic tone is increased. And in opposition, where when a patient is doing yoga or any physical activity, any relaxation activity, so our parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated. It helps to reduce the stress in that way.
Okay. So, there are so much scientific, even non scientific literature which flows around yoga therapy.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, thanks for your earlier viewpoints. We have read a lot of articles, scientific as well as non-scientific, which flows with the yoga. That yoga helps this, yoga helps mental health, yoga helps mindfulness as well as healthy eating habits. So, have you come across any particular scientific evidence which says that eating healthy and being doing yoga, particularly on specific time of the day, helps patients? And any clinical study or a clinical example from your patient which you have come across?
Eating healthy actually helps our diet, because we have now come to know about the gut brain axis, which has some role in anxiety disorders, in depression also. If you have healthy inflammation in your gut, then it can affect your anxiety level also. And as well as when there is a patients of anxiety or depression, we have patients of irritable bowel syndrome, etc., who have both the symptoms of stress and gut symptoms going hand by hand. So there is a role of diet also in healthy mental health. And regarding yoga, there are various evidences which says that it helps in overall well-being of patients. Actually, what we can do is, when a patient is coming with some disorder, we can give as adjacent therapy, as a holistic approach to overall wellness of the patient. So we, along with the medications and everything, we can ask them to practice yoga or relaxation therapy, mindfulness, etc.
That's really wonderful viewpoints what we have received, and a quite good insights on the clinical segment as well. So I am from Lupin Neurology. Thank you for being here on the active platform and sharing your views. So this will definitely help all the viewers who would like to go adjacent with yoga on this International Day and would like to continue as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.